Welcome to another recipe. Let's see what we're cooking today. If you enjoy our cooking, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon notification button. Here's a list of ingredients we will need for today's recipe. Let's begin. We'll take our corn flour, finely ground, as plain flour, whole wheat flour. Give that a little mix, just to pull everything together. Going with that turmeric, paprika for a bit of color, black pepper, salt, mustard. You can use mustard powder. I'm using mustard paste, mayo, we'll mix all of that together. It's going to be a bit difficult to begin with because it's quite liquidy, but once you combine it, it starts to mix together and come together quite well. So don't be scared, keep mixing it. You can see it's come together quite well. You do need to mix it quite a lot for this to happen. As you can see, it's fine now. You want it to come together quite well so you can get nice even flavor throughout the fish. We'll take the fish, dip it in our batter that we've made with cornstarch and our milk mixed together. Give that a good dip. Go straight into our seasoning mix that we just made. Make sure it's coated properly. Stick it on everywhere. That goes back now into our milk and cornstarch mix. Give that a little dip. And straight into our breadcrumbs. We want to pack the breadcrumbs on there really well. We want to push them on, compress them. Don't want to leave any empty spaces. We want it really well packed on there. What we'll do now is we'll put this in the freezer and let it freeze for about 30 minutes or so before we can fry it. So while we're waiting for this in the freezer, we'll move on to our sauce. We'll take our mayo, go straight in with that into a mixing bowl. Gherkins, capers, finely chopped. The gherkins were finely chopped as well. Same with the onions, finely chopped onions, fresh parsley, lemon juice. You can substitute it with vinegar, mustard, sugar, paprika. Give it a mix. This is enough for using on 4 burgers or 2 burgers and then using it as a dipping sauce for your chips as well. Put this to the side and let's move on. Right, we'll fry our fish now into some hot oil. Again, nice golden color on them. I like my fish with a dark color, so I'm going to cook it till it's dark brown. You don't need much time in there. Fish cooks quite quickly, so it's about 3 minutes on each side. You can deep fry these as well, but I've decided to shallow fry them. You can see they're done. take them out, put them to the side, let the oil drain out. As you can see, I've got a nice dark color on it. So let's move on to making the actual burger. We'll start off with a dollop of our lovely mayo that we made earlier at the bottom of the bun. Go in with our cheese on top of that, our fish, a nice big helping of the mayo on top as well. I like the sauce a lot, so I'm going to go in with extra sauce. That's it, the burger's ready. You can serve it with some chips on the side. Please try it out. Let us know in the comments how you got on with it. And thank you for watching.